Hi, in this video, you will learn how to duplicate a page in Notion. This is helpful if you want to copy a page instead of starting again. First, go to the page you want to duplicate. Move your mouse to the page name in the left sidebar. Right-click or click on the three dots on the page name. A menu will appear. Click on Duplicate. A copy of the page is created. The duplicated page appears in the same location. Click on the new page to open it. You can now edit this copied page. You can rename the copied page to stay organized. And that's how to duplicate a page in Notion. Thanks for watching.